My name is Madureira, and I will be joining you in the seminar The New World of Competitive Intelligence in Tel Aviv on the 29th of May. On my workshop, I will be talking about the intelligence funnel, a framework I develop and I use in Uber Brands, my strategic consultancy boutique, that helps and supports companies from all over the world to understand their competitive environment. On the workshop, we'll be applying this framework to competitive intelligence, the discipline itself, to understand what opportunities and threats lie ahead in our way. We will be addressing three major events that affect CI. The first one is the VUCA world we live in, so the volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. But also the social consumer, this new consumer who crowdsources their decisions and leaves a digital footprint behind. And also the social business, the response of businesses to this social consumer. The objective of the workshop is to answer three main areas of questions. The first one is which are the external trends and impacts that are affecting CI as a discipline, and how can we leverage them? The second one are the change drivers. What is making the CI industry more or less profitable? And lastly, we will see who are the players in the competitive intelligence field and what is their likely future direction and what lies ahead also for us as CI professionals. The key takeaways that you'll take out of this workshop are mainly four. The first one is to understand the social business paradigm. The second one is the resulting impacts and how that affects both companies, professionals, and people studying the CI. The third one is deriving the strategies to deal with this situation. And lastly, you'll be actually having practical knowledge and usage of the tool that I use, the intelligence funnel. I hope to see you there.